Hi girls! I'll show you how easy and quick you can create this voluminous hair at home with just one tool. This is the tool that I use to create these bouncy looking curls at home, super easy within 15 minutes. After I wash my hair, I like to air dry at least 80%, and then I'm gonna apply some L'Oreal product. This actually helps me with taming any frizz, any damage. You can definitely see the texture of my hair, how curly it can get even from the top. After I run the product throughout my hair, then I just brush it out and then part my hair in half and then half it again. It does not have to be perfect like I am showing you here, but it just has to be parted. Work with little hair at a time and then section it off. I've had this wand for so many years and I'm surprised it's still working. The brush has seen better days. However, as you can see, as I've parted my hair, then I'm rolling the hair away from my face and some of them towards my face. This will give me a lovely bounce for my hair, and you can see that I'm rolling up the curls and then I'm pinning it with some bobby pins. So I prefer to have tighter curls at the beginning when I do this hairstyle, and then once my hair actually goes 2 or 3 days, the curls actually drop but the hair still stays voluminous. I like to use the pins just because I like my hair to cool down in this position. Again, as you can see that I'm not actually using uniformity, I'm just seeing what I like and how my hair plays, and then I'm just rolling it that way. I'm not looking for anything that needs to be symmetric, as I'm going to part my hair to the side anyway. That is what I want. I want the hair to be bouncy, whatever way I'm going to position it. As you can see, now I'm doing the top of my hair. I'm going to start with the back and then I'm going to roll it and then do my fringe. As you can see, when I start actually taking pieces, I start from the very end of my hair and then work towards my root. I just pin everything. And then you can see that I've added some hairspray and everything is just bouncy, playful, and everything. This is my favorite bit. I'm gonna start with the bottom. Look at that beauty. Some curls are gonna be more successful than others just because, you know, it depends on your hair texture. It's beautiful when some curls go one way and then the other. So you see when I brush it out, it's all gonna be blending so well. The front. I actually didn't add that much hairspray, but you can see the lift is actually from the root just because of that bounce and the brush from the tool. Then I'm just gonna add some oil into my hair. I love this one and it actually smells so lovely and sweet. This is the final look. What do you think? I have fine frizzy hair and this tool gives me a lot of volume and it actually smooths out some of my frizz. As you can see, I also put some oil in my hair just to tame away any frizz. I'd like to know what kind of hair type you have and what product you can't live without. If you enjoyed today's video and you want to see more from me, do subscribe and turn your notifications on to always be notified when I post. Bye!